The HHC team are experts when it comes to finger prick blood testing. Today, I'm going to show you a few tips for taking your blood sample at home. First things first, drink plenty of water at least 1 hour before collecting your sample. Warming your hands up before your test will help the blood flow around your body. We recommend submerging the hand you're going to get the sample from in warm water for a few minutes. A quick 2-minute exercise regime will get the heart pumping and blood flowing. Okay, time to prick my finger. Press the lancet into the side of your ring finger. Wipe away the first drop of blood. Massage your finger gently in a downward motion towards the last joint before your nail. Collect the drops of blood in the tube. If you're struggling and need additional help, give our support team a shout for some guidance. We're happy to help.